everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are looking at and demoulding all my resin pieces. So with my resin, there's a lot of stuff I really like. I just like doing it quite a lot. It's like my pastime, and I really got addicted to doing loads. So you're not going to see me today, it's all about the resin. This is an example that I've done. It's like a corgi, and his ears are tied up and super cute. So I normally use stickers. These are not my own stickers, these are like someone else's, so I don't use them. And oh and then I also do shakers as well. So this is not done yet, but I can actually show you one I have finished. It is now, I think it's an Animal Crossing one, and it's got a keychain and everything ready. It's in like a little Game Boy case. Also do pop sockets, and I just got into this, so there's a pop socket I've made, and I've also done loads of EVs as well. This one is a magnet, but all the others were like keychains and stuff. But I don't know where the mould is anymore, so luckily I have bought 2 more. But yeah. So I've used some different resin this time as well with the blue ones. The pink ones are all my usual resin. This I just used out of, I don't know, this Japanese or Chinese one I got. It came with all these moulds that I had. I think it came with these ones and stuff. But I thought I'd try it, so that's all now used up because it's only a small bottle. But these cured a lot faster than these. But I don't know the brand, so yeah, so I'll show you how nicely they've came out. So this is the first one. It's a hedgehog. It's very glittery and sparkly. It came out really well. It's quite see-through at the back, which I don't usually like, but I think it still worked well as a shaker. This next one is a Tamagotchi one. I've never used this mold before, so I don't know how it's going to turn out. I don't know if this is going to be a shaker or not, because I think it will be quite difficult. It does have like the little slip there, but as it bulges out like there, it might be a bit difficult to get all the liquid in and stuff, but we'll see. So this is the Tamagotchi one with its mould, and it's very pretty. It feels really nice as well, because where I overfilled it ever so slightly, it's kind of domed itself at the back, so I don't need to worry about doming it. But the back, I think I could do it. It does come out quite a bit there, which I'm a bit worried for pieces and that to get stuck when I do a shaker with it, but I can still give it a go. This is another shaker. I did use a lot of my shaker ones. This one I haven't used before either. Does look really nice at the back actually. Yep, this is another one that's done. That looks absolutely gorgeous. I used a slightly different colours of glitter, which you can just see a bit of purple in there. And there's like little stars you can see in different lights. This probably came out the best out of all the other blue ones. I do have another one yet. But this is really nice as well. So this is the final blue one I have. It's just a normal moon. I've used this one quite a lot. It's quite simple. It's quite nice as well. Yep, so this is the moon. These are quite, can you see that? It's quite, I don't know, it just doesn't feel like it's cured properly, because you can bend it, which you shouldn't be able to bend complete pieces, but I don't know, maybe it just needs some more time to cure. All the others, like the hedgehog and the Tamagotchi, I did not have that issue, but with the moon I have, so I'm not sure. I did them all at the same time as well, so maybe it just needs some more time to cure. I'll go on to more little ones now. Like I did a little Easter one. I've never used this rabbit mold before, but yeah, these are really cute. I put a hop in it, and I just thought it was just super cute. And now I've got this cat mould. I've used it all the time. is really cute. I put a little heart in there as well because I do have a lot of these, and I thought it works really well. I use these as mobile charms usually because the hole is quite small, and instead of just using a whole keyring, I just put a little mobile charm on it. And next up is just some tester ones I like doing sometimes. I've never used this mold before, so I really wanted to try it. So this is just like a little star, which I probably could use because I have done silicone phone cases for a while, so I think I can use them with those designs. And this one as well, I did moon. It is really cute and sparkly. Like, I normally only use 2 colours at a time, which is why most of these are pink or blue, because I do normally mix it straight away. There's another moon here. And I put some radicumens in it in the background, which I think worked really well. This is also a shaker, and it is a lot, as you can see. I can't bend it as with the blue one I can. So I don't know what's wrong with that. Like, it doesn't even feel like it feels really hard, so I don't know why that's like that. Next is a charm which I never used. I originally used to have this mould for clay, but I don't use clay anymore. Well, this is it. It doesn't really show up very nice, but it's still quite cute to have. And then we got one really big one here. It's the alien. I really hope I got these words the right way round, because it's quite difficult to do it sometimes. Yes, I did. So this is the alien. It looks amazing. I don't really want to use this for, because I don't know if it's too big for a keychain, but maybe for like a over the top necklace. I mean, the glitter in it is amazing. An alien there. So yeah, it's really good. I think I got that the wrong way actually, but yeah. I still really like it. It does look misspelled. I did ask my stepdad like a million times if it is actually spelled right, but well. So now we have these. So these are quite cool. These are all my last ones. I don't know how they turned out because I normally have trouble with these heart ones, but this is the first one. This one didn't turn out very well. The pushing kept moving, so when it eventually cured, it just stayed in this position. But it still looks quite cute. Here's another one. Again, the pushings kept moving, but this one is more centered as such, and it still works. This is a cow one. My mum loves cows, so now I have all these leftover stickers that she wanted. So I used a cow sticker. This is a sticker from Pipsticks. I like using the stickers, they work really well with resin. And this is just really cute. And finally, I did another corgi heart. So I've done a lot of resin for the past 2 days during quarantine. Yeah, these are all my stuff that I've made. My favourite one, if this is spelled correctly, I can't spell for my life, but if it is spelled correctly, then it would be my favourite, but I don't think it is. My other favourite, I guess, is the hedgehog, because they're my favourite, and I think this one as well. They came out the best. So yeah, that's my resin, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video, and sorry if it was a bit boring. I just wanted to have an extra video for this week for you guys during this really difficult time. So yeah, I hope you have a nice time. I hope you enjoy your week, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. So bye.